Hey, let me ask you something. Are you being seen online but not getting clients? You know what? You're not alone. But the real problem is not the visibility, it's your conversion. I'm Melanie Johnson. I'm the CEO of Elite Online Publishing, where we make you best-selling authors and help you monetize your content. If you don't really have a visibility problem, let me tell you, you have a broken system. And today I'm going to walk you through just exactly how to fix that. So let's break that down just a little bit. So let's say you're writing content, you're being interviewed on podcasts, maybe even have a book, you're speaking, you're showing up on social media, but your calendar is still empty. So why is that? It's because attention is not really the goal, it's the authority. And authority doesn't mean anything unless it leads to a pipeline. This is the authority to pipeline engine. So here's how it works. Start with a book that can power podcast interviews, the leads to speaking gigs, which gives you content for emails, and then those emails lead to discovery calls. So it's simple, strategic, scalable. But most experts are leaking authority. And here are the top 3 reasons why. All right, so number 1, they have no call to action, CTA. But number 2, they have no funnel and they have no email nurture system. And then number 3, they have no follow-up system. So you're not tracking or re-engaging those warm leads. So then they just forget about you and someone else gets the sale. So we fix this every day for our clients. We build their books, map their podcast pitch funnels out, and get them podcast interviews, by the way, automate their emails, and align it to the one clear offer. So you want to see how fast this can actually happen? We've had clients go from invisible to booked out in just 7 days. Not months, but days. So here's how. Just pick one high ticket offer. Build one clear next step. Use a book or a manifesto to establish authority, then launch one email sequence. That's not one email, but a sequence. Book one call a day, and then that's it. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right thing. So if you want our full authority to pipeline map, we can give it to you. Just click the link below and get our free guide. And if you want our team to actually build it for you, we do that too. We do it all the time. Book a strategy call right now, and let's turn your visibility into revenue. I'm Melanie Johnson, and we'll see you on the other side of this pipeline. I'm Melanie. Have a great day.